Hi, Elaine here with WTI. If you like to yell out loud and have fun with your friends, then you're going to love this Tapple game. The fun part is seeing how fast we can finish the game and making sure, of course, that no one gets timed out. And this sound of ticking really gets you going fast. You only have 10 seconds, and if you don't remember what you want to say in 10 seconds, then you get the beep. These are just two examples of the great fun we have trying to go as fast as we can in naming boys' names and girls' names. Some of the answers, Orion for boy's name, we have Ellis for boy's name, we have Drake. Then for girls' names, we had Ingrid and Stephanie and Janaya and Ernestina and Winona and Oprah, Heidi, Fiona, and Rachel. We always have a great time playing with Tapple. We love playing Tapple. That's just our point of view.